So the English Premier League has now become a walk in the park for Liverpool, like taking candy from a load of babies. Now 15 points clear of Arsenal, our nearest challengers, with our vastly superior goal difference. Liverpool only need 5 wins out of the 9 remaining games to mathematically secure the title, even if Arsenal wins all of their remaining 10. And that is not going to happen. But we're hearing some grumblings about Liverpool winning a watered-down title because Man City is falling apart, Arsenal hot and cold, and Chelsea and Manchester United no good. How is it Liverpool's fault though? Guardiola and Man City are struggling. Arteta and Arsenal are stuttering. While Liverpool are handling our business on track to get over 90 points. Why they are trying to rain on Liverpool's early victory parade? Why they are trying to rain?